Oh, yes. This miscarriage of justice, grossly unfair outcome of a judicial proceeding. Yes. I could say that each and every one of these civil judicial proceedings, yes, where I wasn't a resident of the state of Washington in 2011, yes, where you didn't give me notice and opportunity to be heard in 2012, yes, where the petitioner motion the court for, well, each of the judicial proceedings, as I have documented, every time there's a judicial proceeding, yes, not just the outcome, yes, though it says here on a defendant miscarriage or lack of evidence, outcome of a judicial proceeding. Each time you have a court hearing, yes, each court hearing has an outcome. Oh, now let's go through that public court record again. Okay, and let's look at the gross miscarriage of justice. See, in 2011, Heidi wasn't a resident. No, my sons weren't residents because Benjamin was born on Guam. Right. I was in jail. Poop. And you didn't have the arrest authority? No. She just said I was arrested on Guam and I was in jail. Yes. Now, the outcome of this temporary protection order, yes, is known as a judicial proceeding. Poop. Now, when you motion a court, yes, and you have a court hearing, the outcome of that is, right, you issued a temporary protection order. Yes, that would be a miscarriage of justice. Let's go ahead. And then you reissue the temporary protection order without any notice or opportunity for myself to be heard. No. Now, the Heidi Budnick or Heidi L. Budnick, see, is it the left Heidi or is it the right Heidi because you're missing a middle initial there? Yes, it does. There's the Heidi Lee and the Heidi Budner. Two different declarations. Yes. So I'm on Guam, on trial. Yes. I signed a diversion. Yes. Did 7 hours of parenting classes. Had an evaluation. From a professional person on Guam. Yes. And then you decided to issue a protection order without waiting for the evaluator. Yes. Now, I would say it's a miscarriage of justice to issue the protection order. Yes. Knowing that my passport was taken. Let's go ahead. Now, let's say I'm on Guam. No. There's a I would say that each court hearing is an actual proceeding, and every court hearing that you've had is a miscarriage of justice. Now, let's say I sued you for every. I know. Now we're really talking some. Let's go here. Now, it's a miscarriage of justice to have a court hearing, yes, without the notice, and the proof of service in the court file. See, I gave you the instructions on how to issue temporary protection orders, yes, and I gave you the instructions on how to issue permanent protection orders. In fact, I have in here a copy of the actual instructions on how the fuck you do this right.